Have you ever wanted to fly, breathe underwater, or meet a version of yourself from another universe? What if I told you that your mind already holds that power while you sleep? This is not a fantasy. This is lucid dreaming. And in this video, I'll guide you on how to unlock it, step by step. Part 1. What is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming is the ability to become conscious during your dream. You're still asleep, but you know you're dreaming. And when that happens, the dream world becomes your canvas. You can control your actions, shape the environment, and live out your wildest visions. But more than just fun, lucid dreaming offers something deeper. A chance to explore your subconscious, to heal, to face fears, and even manifest change in your waking life. Part 2. The science behind it. Lucid dreaming occurs during REM sleep, when your brain is most active. Neuroscience shows that the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for self-awareness, wakes up during a lucid dream. This blend of sleep and awareness creates a powerful space, a mental playground where your thoughts shape reality. And here's the beauty. Anyone can learn it. Part 3. Why lucid dreaming matters. Think about this. You sleep for 1/3 of your life. What if you could use that time not just to rest, but to explore, to create, to grow? Lucid dreaming helps you overcome fears by facing them in a safe space, boost creativity by accessing the limitless mind, improve mental clarity, focus, and emotional strength, and even connect with your inner self on a spiritual level. This isn't just about dreams. It's about reclaiming power over your mind, even while you sleep. Part 4. How to start lucid dreaming. Step-by-step guide. Here's how you can begin. Dream recall. Start a dream journal. Write down everything you remember, no matter how small. This trains your brain to notice and remember dreams more vividly. Reality checks. Ask yourself during the day, am I dreaming? Look at your hands. Try to push a finger through your palm. These habits follow you into dreams, helping you become lucid. Mnemonic induction. Before you sleep, repeat in your mind, tonight I will realize I'm dreaming. Set your intention. The subconscious listens. Wake back to bed. Wake up after 5 to 6 hours of sleep. Stay awake for 20 minutes, then go back to sleep. Your chances of lucidity skyrocket. Stay calm. When it happens, when you realize you're dreaming, breathe. Get excited, but stay grounded. Stabilize the dream by rubbing your hands together or spinning around. Part 5. Using lucid dreams for transformation. This is where things get deep. Use your dreams not just for fun, but for healing. Talk to your subconscious. Ask it questions. Visualize the life you want and feel it deeply. Rehearse real-life scenarios, practice confidence, or even face traumatic memories with new strength. Your dreams reflect your inner world. By changing that, you change everything. Lucid dreaming isn't an escape. It's a return to yourself. A reminder that the power is already within you, not just when you're awake, but even in sleep. Start tonight. Write down your dreams. Ask the question, what if I'm dreaming? Because once you wake up inside your dreams, you may never look at life the same way again.